Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to back up contacts to Gmail on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, if your device malfunctions or requires a factory reset, having contacts back up to Gmail ensures you don't lose valuable contact information. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, enter the contact app on your device. And here, you can click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Okay, and then select import or export contact option. Next, press the export contacts menu. Okay, and then you can choose export to VCF file, and then click save. Once the exporting process finishes, open the Google app on your device. And here you can type google.com. Okay, after that, click on the menu icon beside your profile and select the contacts option. Next, click on the three lines and select the import option. Okay, and then click select file. Now select the VCF file you exported earlier and click import. Finally, your contacts are successfully backed up to your Gmail. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to back up contacts to Gmail on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.